I just wanted to update you guys on how the retaining wall has been holding up. It's went through different phases of different things I was growing in there. You can see the cherry tomatoes I still left around. There's a few tomatoes over there, a few flowers in there, different things I've grown. See the raspberry bush. The apple tree is still here, no apples. I've added a peach tree, no peaches. Um, but yeah, this is so far, you know, just an update for you guys. It rained a little bit, so that discoloration you see is just the wetness of it.